Hey guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to foreclose your ICICI Bank personal loan, especially if it's a PLCC. The real process happens inside the ICICI Bank net banking and I'll take you through those exact steps, charges and tips to save you extra interest. So stay till the end. This PLCC stand for personal loan on credit card. So what it does is it converts your credit limit into a fixed loan with EMI. So no separate loan account number appears in your account and it just links a new EMI to your credit card. And this EMI is visible under the EMI summary in your iMobile application, but it has no foreclosure button. Now after logging in, you can just tap on manage card and then scroll down and you'll find this EMI summary, but you'll not find any option here for EMI closure or foreclosure. It just gives you this message for EMI closure, click here. So that means foreclosure can only be done via the ICICI Bank net banking. So I'll just show you all the steps one by one. So just open your browser. You can either do it on your phone or you can do it on your desktop or your laptop. And then in the browser, I want you to search for ICICI Netbanking, hit enter, and then you can see this link ICICI Bank Internet Banking. So just click on it. Now from here, you can either click here on login now or you can find this button that says login. If you scroll over it, you will find this button that says personal. So just click on it. You have to enter here your username and password and then click on login. Once you're logged in, you will find the home page of your net banking, something like this with the information related to your account. Now here, if you look at this tab that says what I owe, it will show the cards, the loans and the overdraft related to your account. Now, since I'm interested in the personal loan against my credit card, I'll just click here on my credit card, which is under this cards tab. Alright, the page for credit card is going to be loaded. You can either click here on these credit cards or you can do the way that I've showed you. Now, coming under here, if you click on this EMI status, you will be able to see the EMI or the loans that are available on your credit card. So this is the PLCC personal loan against credit card, which I'm interested in foreclosing. The second one is a merchant EMI. We cannot close it directly from here. To close such an EMI, you can directly write to ICICI Bank customer care or you can give them a call on their toll-free number and they'll be happy to assist you by foreclosing your merchant EMI. But for the PLCC, which is a personal loan, we can do this by ourselves. So what I'll do here is you have to click here on this button that says manage your credit card. Alright, then these options are going to be displayed here. Now here you have to click on view all so that all the services are displayed. Now from here, coming under the modification related, you will find this option EMI foreclosure. You can just click on it and it's going to open a new page. Alright, now from here you can select your credit card and then click here on get statement. It's going to display the EMI summary of the personal loan that you are availing. And now from here I can see this is the personal loan that I want to foreclose. It's having the original amount of 4,01,000 with a tenure of 36 months and still 15 months are pending. You can just click on proceed. Alright. Now on this page, all the foreclosure charges are visible. So the total outstanding EMI at this moment is 1,90,519 and then the advance next month interest amount is 2,540. Then the GST is at 18%. Then the foreclosure fee, which is nearly about 3 to 4% of the outstanding. And then the GST on the foreclosure fees is 1,000. So the total foreclosure amount comes up to be 2,261,000. Now make sure to note down these foreclosure amount because it's valid only for today. It changes daily depending upon your interest. Now if you're not able to find the foreclosure option for your loan amount, it might be because foreclosure is not allowed in the first 3 EMIs. You have to check your loan terms for that. Alright, now once you are satisfied with these information or these numbers and you want to go ahead and foreclose your loan, you can just click here and enter the OTP that has been sent to your registered mobile number. Once you are done with that, you can just click here which says I consent to bill total foreclosure amount payable in my upcoming credit card. So what is going to happen is that this total foreclosure amount, that is 2,261, it's going to be billed in total in your upcoming or the next credit card bill as a total amount so that you can pay it off completely. Alright, so just click on foreclose and then you'll see a success message, something like this: your credit card EMI has been closed successfully and the final payable amount will reflect on your next credit card statement, which will allow you to make the full payment and close everything for good. Do not pay via any third party link or message. In most of the cases, such messages that we receive on the phone are scam messages. So you need to look for the official net banking only. Now the benefit of closing early is very simple. You save on your future interest. The earlier you close, the more you save. And plus, your credit limit gets restored once the loan is settled, and your credit score may also improve after a few cycles. However, if you are closing too early, the foreclosure charge might eat into your savings. So calculate whether the interest you will save is more than the penalty that you are paying. You have to do a comparison of that. So anyways, that's how you can foreclose your ICICI Bank personal loan on credit card using the ICICI Bank net banking. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe and drop your question in the comments. For more information, you can watch my video on ICICI Bank credit card EMI summary using the iMobile application. The link to that video is in the description. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.